Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs and Decisive Designs Table and More Solution, and I'm bringing you this beautiful table. Are you looking for a table design? Do you want to update your dining room? Well, look no further. Call Decisive Designs Table and More Solutions for your decisive decision. So this table is the epitome of the other tablescape that I have done. And I love to just choose something and talk about it. And this bouquet of deliciousness. When I saw the bloom of these hydrangea, it reminds me of a vanilla cone that I love to eat. Vanilla is my favorite flavor ice cream, and I often eat vanilla ice cream. So it reminds me very much. And if it weren't so early, I would have definitely stopped at my favorite ice cream shop and get some ice cream. So think about a huge cone, right? With vanilla ice cream, right? As the base, and then a scoop of blackberry ice cream and strawberry. So I put this red dahlia bloom in here because in every little decision, in everything that I do, the devil always popped up, right? So I'm honoring him today because this decision that I made that didn't come through, and I'm giving them to him today. And just know that my God is a big, delicious plate of ice cream that whenever you call on him, whenever you speak his word, he's always true. What the Bible says, before his word passed away, heaven and earth will. Isn't that a true statement? Isn't that ironically like it's not even impossible that heaven and earth will pass away? So I just love my God. But the devil, you're a liar. So this tablescape is just scrumptious, and pink is just so pretty. So pretty that I love it. And this napkin ring resembles that bouquet of scrumptiousness, right? Isn't that awesome how it pulls together so nicely? And these colors all go together, but they may not match on the table, but look on your color wheel or try to put them together sometimes and see the elegance that they give, right? Red, pink, and purple. And that's my theme today, with a touch of gold and silver. Always a winner. Always a winner. So this tablecloth is just so gorgeous, and it's a DIY by me. And I love choosing fabric and doing my own thing with them. And of course, there's no machine or needles or thread involved. I just put them together. And layering your tablecloth is good, right? Definitely. And layering your patterns, right? So look at this placemat. And I just put this over it, and it gives me a bit of silvery color, right? And that's what I'm looking for. Not too much, but just a peak to complete this look. The runner is just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So where these things come from, everybody wants to know, right? So the chargers, they are the pink chargers. They're from Home Goods. These plates are too as well. They're gorgeous, right? The texture, it's just royalty, and it moves with the light. Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. Aha. Ooh, boy. Gorgeous. Right? And then this silver plate. Gorgeous. So they're from Home Goods, along with the napkin. But this napkin ring is from Pier 1. 14 years ago, yes, I still have them, all my stuff. It's like I own Pier 1. I have a lot of stuff from them, and I kept them good. This placemat here, it's from HomeSense, and the bottom one is thrifted. The utensils is from Oneida, if I say that right, the big utensil company out there. And these candles were thrifted, and I spray paint them. And I don't remember the color pink that I chose. I just did them some time ago. And these candles are from Home Goods. And I keep things. I have kept a lot of things over the years, and for 14 years I have acquired a collection of dining room aesthetics so that I can mix and match my dining room colors and aesthetics. So I love it so much that I open a storefront with dining room aesthetics. So please visit Decisive Designs, Table and More Solutions for your dining room aesthetics or tablescape items. And I also added furnishing, clothes, jewelry, a lot of wall art, a lot of great stuff, definitely. So yes, so this side I have a white lace, which is real pretty. And these are just material that I pieced together and cover this table. No sew, of course. I know how to make the table with raw material. And I just love doing it. Love it. Love it. And I'm so very proud of these huge hydrangea blooms right from my garden. They are still wet. It's raining cats and dog here. And I went outside, not with an umbrella, but with a covering. And I break these off. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Ice cream cone, vanilla ice cream. I love it. Yes. So I wanted to change the curtains today, and I left the windows blank so we can get a little bit more light. And so you can see a little bit of the greenness, because I love I love outdoors and what it brings, the trees, everything that God made that I see in front of me. I love, and I want to show you guys, that's the hydrangea tree that I took those blooms from, and it rained so hard, it's like the blooms are like weighing down the tray. So yes, so I want to thank my subscribers. You got a little peek of my front yard. um Thank you for your support. Please remember to share this video, send it to your friends, your frenemies. Have conversations about these videos, because dining room is all about togetherness. And what you talk about in your dining room is usually you give thanks, you talk about God, and problems, and even solutions. Definitely you talk about your day and what what kind of day you have. So I just love doing the tablescape, because the dining room is where most of us have our conversations. And if the walls could talk, man, the walls would be talking. So just give thanks to God and thank Him for whatever He has done for you out there today. And remember, like and subscribe. Peace.